You've been looking at solar for at least 12 months and you still haven't made up your mind. You've got at least a dozen quotations in front of you. The price fluctuations are driving you crazy, adding to the confusion. Most of the time, all companies are pitching the same equipment to you. You're getting phone calls every single day. Most are offering you discounts. This begs the question, why did you not offer me a discount when you were sitting opposite me? It almost seems overwhelming. It almost seems better just to go on and pay the utility. However, the alternative is to employ Troy Solar. Troy is solar, independent of the market, not a solar company, not a sales company, but an advocate and a broker for solar, bringing you to up to 20 vendors throughout Australia who will bid on your project blindly to win your business. When the process is complete, Troy Solar will take you through the bids line by line, piece by piece, nuance by nuance, helping you understand and empowering you every step of the way, so that you can ultimately make the right decision with all the checks and balances in place, so that you make one investment only. Sleep well at night and knowing that your solar is working and has the warranties in place to ensure that it works for ultimately, when all your friends are falling about themselves, wondering whether they've been ripped off by their solar company, they're struggling to get in contact with solar companies, you can sit back in your chair and loudly exclaim that you've received quality solar, affordable solar that will last for 25+ years.